Hi everyone, welcome to Peacock Way, welcome to my channel. Happy Father's Day to all. Today I'm making another Father's Day card, and this is the base card and the pattern paper. These are the dies. This is from Spellbinder, and I have used different kinds of dies. So from Spellbinder, some of the die, and this one is from Sizzix. Then this one is the center part of the card, like a frame. So let's have fun making this project. So this is again another easy and quick card. Now I'm going to adhere this pattern paper on the base card. I'm going to first color this center part of the frame. I'm using watercolor markers. It's a easy kind of coloring. It doesn't have to be perfect. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button and turn on the notification. So before I adhere it on the card, I'm going to dry it thoroughly, and now I'm going to use the double-sided tape. I'm going to put all those pieces together. I'm adding few more leaves. Now I'm adhering this frame. I have used double-sided foam tape behind the frame. Now I'm going to adhere this sentiment. And I'm going to finish it by sticking the sequins on the top. This finishes my card. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Happy Father's Day to all. If you like my video, please subscribe, click on the bell button and turn the notification on so you can see my new videos as I post it. You can see the close-up pictures in the end of the video. So I will see you in my next video with a new project. So thanks for watching. Bye.